I kindly ask all the presenters to help us keep the schedule and be on time. I will give a signal 2 minutes before it ends the 15 minutes, but please don't take too much time for each session. Let's start
the first speaker is going to speak about modeling the geological regime of Marmara Basin for the geological year 2025. The authorship is Mr. Papalάskαρης and Mr. Tsagaridis and Ms. Papalάskαρη. The floor is yours.
Minister, good afternoon. My main objective, the aim of this study, is to point out the construction of Marmaras Dam, which is located in Pangion municipality, prefecture of Eastern Macedonia and Thrace. To point out the necessity that the works should be concluded as fast as possible, since the dam has reached a completion of approximately 95%, but it hasn't been completed yet. The same thing the same thing happens as far as the distribution networks, the water distribution networks of the dam, which hasn't been started yet. By the time I decided to participate in this conference, I thought that I would be able to conclude the study only for the hydrological year 2024-2025, but finally I was able to extend my research until the end of January of 2026. That means for more 5 months of the next hydrological year, 2025-2026. So on the left we see the catchment area of the dam, and on the second a perspective view of the earthworks. We see the same image here of a perspective view of the earthworks. And the spillway, as we see from downstream to upstream. Again, another perspective view of the earthworks, and the spillway, which has been concluded until now, as well as the earthworks of the main dam. This is the catchment area, the watershed of the dam, together with its related stream network and the settlements within the catchment area, which sizes 229.44 square kilometers. Another view of the catchment area, I beg your pardon. This image was taken within the OpenStreetMap in the QGIS environment, and this one was taken within the Google Earth environment. As far as the material used and methods used for this study, I used the hydrologic modeling system of Hydrologic Engineering Center, and I used the soil conservation system, soil conservation service system, using specified hydrographs for each month. I got the meteorological data from Lycostomon Meteorological Station, which belongs within a network controlled by the MeteoCav group in Kavala City. And as far as the first hydrological year, the entire hydrological year of 2024-2025, the results show that December 2024 was the month with the greatest water total discharge, which reached an amount of approximately 30 million cubic meters, and a maximum discharge of approximately 75 cubic meters per second. The kernel number required for this analysis, for the soil conservation service method, was calculated using the QGIS plugins named kernel number generator and weighted area average, and was calculated accurately, finding a value of approximately 60. As far as the entire hydrological year, as I said before, December, the month of December yielded the greatest water amount, and the total water discharge for the entire hydrological year was approximately 95 million cubic meters. And the greatest water discharge was recorded on November 2024 and reached approximately 185 cubic meters per second. As I extended my research throughout part of the 2025, I discovered that November, the month of November, with a rain of approximately 300 millimeters, 256.20 more accurately, we had a total water discharge of approximately 49 million cubic meters and maximum water discharge of 144.10 cubic meters per second. Summarizing what happened the first 5 consecutive months of the hydrological year 2025-2026 until the end of January 2026, the total water discharge was 102, approximately 100 and more than 102 million cubic meters, and the biggest discharge was approximately 200 cubic meters per second. Thus summarizing and adding all this discharge, we come to a value of 196 million cubic meters. That means that the dam would reach full capacity 30.5 times. This reveals the significance of the completion of this dam, and it's and shows how significant it is to reach this completion in order to cover the needs of the total area. Here we have a diagram, an histogram more accurately, where it is a thermometer chart which shows the hydrological year's rainfall yield from the hydrological year 2006-2007 until 2025-2026. And shows the blue bars show the accumulated rainfall, especially through the months September to end of January, not all the hydrological year, and shows that the latest hydrological year reached the sixth ranking place, the sixth ranking position. It was a fairly good hydrological year. Here we have another illustration of the Kerr number classification, which shows that the biggest Kerr numbers are along the mainstream, the red ones. Here we have a map of Korean land cover of 2018, which shows that approximately 25% are cultivated areas, and this proves the significance of the completion dam in order to cover the cultivated areas in terms of irrigation water. Here are the summarized results of the total water discharge and the reference. I can answer if you have any questions, if you want. Thank you very much for your attention.